Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your phone supports a fingerprint sensor and biometrics are enabled in system settings. Once done, close competing lock apps and ensure battery is above 20% so enrollment won't be interrupted. Open the Fingerprint Lock app and grant permissions for storage, display over apps, and biometric access. These allow the app to save templates and show the lock UI. Now tap Add Fingerprint to start the guided capture sequence and prepare to place your finger consistently. Now capture the fingerprint using the app's multi-angle prompts. Tap and lift, repositioning until the progress reaches near completion. Aim for roughly 90% coverage. Once enrolled, configure unlock behavior. Choose immediate unlock, a short delay, or require a backup PIN for high security modes. Make sure to set timeout and user feedback, sound, vibration, and a lock screen theme to match your preference. Also add emergency contact or auto wipe rules. These settings control recovery. Finish by testing the lock from the actual lock screen and within the app settings. Try multiple unlocks with the same and alternate fingers to confirm reliability. Once satisfied, export a backup template if the app supports it and register a second finger to reduce lockouts. If unlocks fail, clean the sensor, dry your finger, and retry enrollment. Make sure app permissions and device security settings weren't revoked. If problems continue, delete and recreate the fingerprint template or reboot the phone to clear temporary issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.